Welcome guys, so we are making a lot of profit in this particular trade. Already you see we are trading volatility 75 and we are making a lot of profit. Let me go to 1 hour time frame. See how massive this profit could be. This is a reversal over there. As you can see, as that's the sign of a reversal. You see this little candlestick and the more down trade. You see that it's a reversal. Whenever you see this particular trade, you know that this is actually a reversal. So do well to know what you can do about it and pin everything down. Okay, this is the actually place that this reversal ended. I don't know if it's still going to come down to this particular market, but to be honest with you, we are going to take this market to the next level, and we're already trading volatility 75. We said that already. And please, if you are in for an account management, you are looking for somebody that will grow your account or stuff, please punch into my DM. A lot of people have been asking me, have you not started managing people account? Okay, right now I'm going to drop this good news to you that we are actually managing people account right now. So punch into my DM. I'll be dropping my Telegram links on my bio, on my comment section, and my WhatsApp links. Just punch into my DM and how much account you have like raised on you want us to manage. Please, the minimum I could actually manage is $100. I can actually try with $100, but anything not less than $100, please keep it to yourself. Grow it to yourself. And if you want to enjoy this market money, you want to make massive money in forex trading, you want to enjoy this forex trading money like we do as a professional trader, please text me, inbox me for an account management. I will be the one to manage your account personally. I will grow your account to massive profit. Will lie. Okay, so let's go back to this market. You already know how this market gone. If you're actually watching this video as a beginner, this market is actually for you to learn. Now, as you can see, this market is going up. How do I trade this particular market? You go over to this particular trade, 30 minutes time frame. You see that this market is actually going up already, and it's still going up. You see this reversal over here, thinking that they are going to deceive particularly us, that this market, I just waited for this reversal, and as I got this market here, I thought this market is going to actually reverse over here coming down. Then I waited to see the movement of the market. Then I got this particular trade here. I was like, this actually our trade, this is the place that we are entering, and this is the place we are actually going to make massive profit from it. Then I went into this market, and guess what, we are making a lot of profit already. And please, if you're actually watching for the first time, you are not my fans, or maybe you come across this video from somewhere, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, or share this video to as many as you can, as many as your friends are. Share this video and get this video to 10k viewers, please. Okay, so to be honest with you, there is no reversal for this market. How do I know? Go over to 1 day time frame. You see how reversal, you see how double bottom this market went here. This is double bottom, then this is a reversal for uh for 1 day time frame. This is reversal, then this market started going up. This market is going to blow very massively up until it had this reversal over here. So we are actually waiting for this reversal. So but before we wait for the reversal, we have to take a lot of profit first before any reversal comes out. So we are already making massive profit already. You should know by now, by watching this market for the first video till now. We're making massive profit, and already you know our rules. You know exactly what we put in there. Please don't come into my DM or thinking that you want me to manage your account, your $5 account or your $50 account. Please, if your account is low as that amount I mentioned, please don't come to my DM for any management. Please don't forget that you shouldn't come to my DM for any management if your account is low like that, please. So we look into this market. We already know we are making massive profit. This is actually a company account we are managing, so we have to show you guys the amount of the equity we are going in. That's why we are using one lot size in volatility 75 1s. So let's go there. This is the equity we are actually using. It's very big, right? Yeah, it's massive equity, and we are making 6k dollar right now in your particular eye. You see the withdrawing button to show you that this account is actually a real account I'm managing, or this is a withdrawing button, and this is actually or derive, so that you will not be like, okay, let's have this particular withdrawing button. I don't make it confusing. So this is actually the withdrawing button, and we are making massive profit in this market. And we made a lot of profit. We managed a lot of accounts lately, business account and company company's accounts and personal accounts. We managed it lately, and we're making a lot of profit already. You should check in all the people we manage their account. I will be listing it in my Telegram group, in my VIP Telegram group. So put it to my DM. Let's work together so that we can be able to share funds and be friends also, and be very close. Don't forget to not come into my DM with $10 account, $50 account, $50 account, thinking that I will manage your account to massive profit. If you may come with $50, I will accept. Unless you come with the minimum I told you about, $100. Let's make magic with you. Already, we are making massive profit. Let's go over to 1 minute time frame. You see how massive this market is going up, and we are actually in big time profit. You see, in 1 minute time frame, you see exactly the time this market started going up. That's when we place this market. You think is actually a strategy I'm using? Yeah, it's a strategy, but it's a personal strategy, and it's only my VIP that knows about it. And already, before I forget, VIP Telegram channel academy, I'll be adding you up with a mentorship payment. Please punch it to my DM, so let's discuss more about this mentorship payment. Okay, so VIP Telegram channel, I'll be dropping every morning's making of money, every morning signals, afternoon signals, and night signals, so that you can be able to participate. As much as you are learning, you are making a lot of money to sustain. So have a nice day, and please don't forget to hit your subscribing button and share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to watch this video and learn a lot of things in this video. Comment what you actually grab in this video, what you think that makes a lot of sense in this video. Comment it put it in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video so as many as your friends are, as many as you can, and don't forget to like and comment. Share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, First Morning Trade, and we're all good. Punch it to my DM for an account management. Don't forget. Have a nice day and have a good trade.